Welcome to Tectonic Nights channel. Here's day 6 of solving easy Leetcode problems in Python. Today's problem is given a 2D matrix consisting of two characters, black and white, where character B represents black and W represents white. The task is to determine whether it's possible to change the color of at most one cell in the grid, such that at least one 2x2 subgrid is entirely made of cells with the same color. Now let's take an example given in the problem. Let's consider the first square 2x2 subgrid. This square has two black squares and two white squares. The constraint is to change the color of at most one cell. It's not possible with this subgrid. So we go to the next 2x2 square. Here we just have one black square and we can change that to white color so that all the cells in the square have same color. Since we are able to do this, we return true. Now we can conclude that we have to just count the occurrences of character B and character W for each 2x2 subgrid. And if the count is greater than 3 for at least one subgrid, we return true. Now let's dive into the coding section. We begin by defining the number of rows and columns in the matrix. Then we iterate through each row and column, selecting a 2x2 subgrid. It's important to note that we exclude the last row and the last column because it's not possible to form a 2x2 square with these cells. For each 2x2 subgrid, we need to consider 4 cells: the current cell, the cell to the right, the cell below, and the diagonal cell. To count the occurrences of characters B and W within the 2x2 grid, we use a counter object. We then check if the frequency of B is greater than or equal to 3, or if frequency of W is greater than or equal to 3. If either of these conditions is met, we return true. If the condition is not satisfied, we continue to the next 2x2 subgrid. If we iterate through the entire matrix and no subgrid meets the condition, we return false. Here the time complexity is O of n square, where n square is the total number of elements in the matrix. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more videos in this series. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.